What's up everybody, Sam here. Today we are going to unbox the Eleglide M2 e-bike. Alright, we got a small box. We have the charger and cable, also a manual. Alright, also another box. Pedals. There's the throttle controller, you can install by yourself. Some lights, a manual, and some other installation tools. And that's it. Okay. Okay, perfect. Okay. Perfect, no noise. Left or first left. Perfect. All right. Okay. Okay. That's the Eleglide M2 29-inch version. Super easy to install, great looking, and we'll be doing a super detailed review of this later. Stay tuned for that. Now, let's go.